3 years ago, seeing Mark Liu's success, I tried building SaaS. Development was fun. You see something come together bit by bit. But marketing was boring and tedious. I might post something and only get 100 or 200 views. I couldn't be bothered, so I outsourced it to AI. I built a pipeline that creates and edits videos for me. I posted it on Reddit, got great feedback and support. Let me give you a demo and show you the results next. Here's the channel before the upload. The latest video is the top one. Every video you see was built and published by my AI agent, start to finish. Now I run the script. The agent picks the topic, generates the video, and pushes it straight to YouTube. The script usually takes a while to run, but for this demo, I've cut out the waiting. The new video is done and uploaded. I didn't do any editing, no filming whatsoever. The script handles everything from start to finish. It basically saves me 10-20 minutes per video for short, simple videos like this. I've been running a fully automated YouTube channel since February 2026. My AI agent writes the script, generates the voiceover, assembles the video, and uploads it. In 4 months, the channel grew to 2,800 subscribers. In the last 28 days alone, it pulled 12,000 views, a 408% increase. That's 5,400 engaged views and over 1,300 likes. Most videos land right around 1,000 views, with some breaking 100. 4,800 unique viewers in the last 28 days.